friends, in this video we actually see how we can rim, or you can say that we can split a video in a Mac computer. For this we actually don't need any particular software for that. Mac has already a very good software known as the QuickTime player. In this we have an inbuilt option, so let's see how we can do that. First we have to go to the location where we need to split it. Like I just prepare this video, I just go forward and about here I just stop. I just want to stop after this. Here I just pause it, but I just need to go a little bit back here. Now I want to split it, so what I need to do, I need to go to the edit menu and need to click on split clip. As you can see, my video is split into two parts. Now I want to remove a particular part, so what I need to do, I just play it again. I just go forward about here. Yeah, I just stop it again. Now again go to the edit menu and split it again. Now my video is split into three parts, as you can see, 1, 2 and 3, and I want this part to be removed. So what you need to do, I just select it, go to edit menu and click on delete. Here you see that part has been removed. Now I just want these two part of the videos to be connected again, so I just press the turn part and here I have done that one. So as you can see guys, it's very easy to do. You really don't want any another software, and you really don't want to purchase another software. Everything is in the Mac. So thanks for watching the video, and please subscribe and like my video. Thank you.